Good morning. We're going to start with handwriting. We're going to do uppercase Z. Okay, we start at the top line and we curve forward and slant, and then we do a little overcurve and loop down, curve down, loop around, meet at the bottom line, and then overcurve up. Okay, so start at the top line, curve forward, slant down, do a little overcurve, slant down to the bottom line, loop, meet at the bottom line, go down to the line below, the top line below, meet at the bottom line and overcurve up. The overcurve is important because that is what is connecting the other letters, like when you write zebra, okay? So you want to make sure you're not doing this, okay? No points. No points up here. It's a smooth overcurve, okay? We also don't want to have it hang down from the top. Okay, we start at the top line. We also don't want to do this. Straight up and down. A lot of you are writing straight up and down again. Make sure you get your slant in there. Make sure your letter slants. It has to slant with cursive, okay? Make sure you meet at the bottom line with your loop, and that your loop goes to the next level. Oh, I totally did that wrong because I missed the thing. Make sure your loop goes to the next top line. Okay, we don't want any short loops. So you are going to be writing uppercase Z on page 123 in your textbook, and then you will also be completing page 57 in the worksheet that was sent to you last night. Let's look at spelling while we're at it. Spelling is a practice book page. You will be doing page 137. Okay, page 137. It says, write a spelling word for each clue. Cheered with hands. Now, if you notice, you look close enough, and you look on your paper, there are little lines to write each letter. And each letter, some letters will go in a box. When you are done writing, you're going to be writing the letters that are in the box to make a word down here. Okay? So, cheered with hands. What does cheered with hands mean? What do we do when we cheer with hands? Very good. We clap. So what is our letter, our word? Clapped. So we would write C on one line, L, A, P, P, E, D. Okay? Clapped. Each letter goes on a line. Then it says, write the letters in the boxes below. The letters will spell a word that names something you see in a storm. Okay? And then letter swap makes spelling words by using a double letter from the box in place of the letters in dark print. And then write the new words. Well, the letters in dark print, the word is humming, and you're going to replace the MM with either NN, TT, PP, or GG. Okay? Which one makes sense? And then stemmed, you're going to replace the double M with one of these. Which one makes sense? Okay, so that's spelling. Reading is also, you're going to read your story carousel, and then you're going to complete page 114 in your practice book, which is this page. Okay, page 114. It says finish each sentence so that it tells what happened in carousel. So make sure you read the story, then look at the sentences. Alex was unhappy at her birthday party because, and tell why. Make sure you include your finishing the sentence. So you need to include punctuation. Okay, you have to include punctuation. If you don't know the answer, go back in the story, read it again. It's okay to read the story more than once. If it helps you out, it's okay. This is kind of like a take-home test, okay? I'm treating these as take-home tests. So read the story again to get the correct answer and make sure that you write a period after each one, okay? Because you are completing the sentences. Okay, so that's handwriting and spelling and reading. And we'll be back in a little bit for some